Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, I am going to give you the second exercise of chapter 5. So in this exercise, we have to generate a function which takes a list as an argument and returns a list which contains the square of each element of the argumented list. So basically in this exercise, we have to generate a function and then we have to give a list as an argument of the function, and then the function must return a list which contain the square of each element of the list which we have given in the argument of the function. So for example, if we are giving list 1 as an argument of the function, so the list 2 which contains the square of each element of the list 1 must appear at the output. I hope you try this exercise. In next video I will provide its solution. Thank you very much for watching.